This is the Android application program to search the student using the username and the mobile number. Let's start with the program. I'll be giving the title. So for that I'll be taking the text view. I'll align it properly. I'll change the text. And give it as student search. Change the text color. Let it be green. And change the background and even change the text size. Let the background color be yellow. Then I'll take two plain text. So this is for username and this is for phone number. And I'll change the attributes of it. First I'll change the ID. I'll give it as student name STUNAM. Keep the text empty and give the hint as enter student name. Then again I'll change so let's check whether the text is empty. This text has to be empty, then you can view it. Change the hint color. So let the text color hint be purple. We'll change the ID of this. So let the ID be phone number. Change the text. Let the text be empty and give the hint as enter phone number. Change the color. Let it be purple. Now I have to give a function. For that I'm taking a button. After clicking this button, it will check whether the student is available or not. So let's go with the coding. First I have to add my database. For that I am taking string. I'll take the variable as database itself. So this is two-dimensional array because I am taking the register number, username and the mobile number. So I am holding three things, that is the register number, username and the mobile number. So it has to be in flower brackets, it has to be within flower brackets, and outside also it has to start with the flower bracket. I'll give it as 02. Then again one more, and give as register number 03, then name as Fatima, the number as then one more, I'll give it as Rita, first I have to give the register number, I'll give the name and the phone number. Close the flower brackets. Then you have to end it with a semicolon. Now you have to write the function for this button. I'll change the button name as search, and on click I'll give it as find. For this find function I have to write the code. For that I'll be taking public void find view space view. Second view has to be in small letter. I'll be taking a string as a register number and keep that as a null. Initially I'll keep it as null, and I'll take one more boolean data type to check whether is student found, whether the student is found. Student found, and I'll keep that as false. Initially I'll keep that as false. Then I'll extract two values that the user has given and keep that in variables. Username, let it be UN equals, so I have to use find view by ID, r dot id dot, it is available in student name. Same as that, will initialize variable ph. For phone number I am taking as ph. Find view by id, r dot id dot, so this is for phone number. I have given as phone number id. Then I am converting that to the string and keep it in string data type, and keeping that in the string variable. For that I am taking the data type as string student name equals, it is available in un dot get text, so I am extracting the text using this function. Then I need to convert that to string. For that I have to use the function toString. Again string this is phone number equals It is available in ph dot get text dot to string. Now I have student name and the phone number. Now I need to check whether the student is available or not. For that I am using for loop. For int I equals 0, I less than, so I have taken the database. So I don't know what is the limit. So here only 4 entries are there. So I can easily give the limit as 4. But what if I don't know how many entries are there? That time you can just take database dot length. It will provide the length of the data available. So for that I am taking database dot length. This will provide the length of the database. Then for incrementing I plus plus. So within this for loop, first I will be taking the register number and assigning the first one to the I am taking the register number and assigning the value of database first value. So that is I and 0. Then I am making is student found variable to the true. This has to be in small. In this for loop, I will be searching for the username and the phone number. If it is found, then I will make it that as a true. So initially its value is false. After finding, I will make this as true. Then I need to show the message that the user is found. For that I am using the if condition. If is student found is true, then I have to show the message. So for that I am using a toast. So toast is a pop-up message. So toast is a pop-up message which will show the message and disappear immediately. So if you can just choose the toast. So it consists of 3 variables. It consists of 3 parameters. First is a context which refers to this, and text. Here you can type the message that you need to display. Then this is for specifying the length of the message. This can be long. So next, if the student result is not found, then we have to give the else part, right? So for that I am giving else. You have to show the message using the toast. Toast. The message has to be, here the message has to be the student is found. Else the message has to be the student is not found. So now we have to run the program. Click on run application. This is the output. In this output you can see I have taken student name and the phone number, and based upon the database I have to tell whether the student is found or not. So when I click on that button, it has to tell whether the student is present in this database or not. I'll give the student name as Sani. So here in the database I have taken Sani, and I'll give the phone number 97789000998, and click on search button. So here it is telling the student is found. I'll give some other name and give Swati and check. So here you can see, even if the phone number is correct, it is not telling that the student is found because the name is not in the database. So here that's why you can see we have used and symbol. So when you use and symbol, it checks for both student name and phone number. If both are available, then only the result will be viewed, that is the student will be found. Thank you.